Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload images to your Instagram account from your PC. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, and we're going to be coming to this link. Links are always in the description down below. And this is going to be for Grambler, and this is going to be a free application for both Windows and Mac that's going to allow us to upload images from our PC to Instagram. So all you want to do is come to this website, and you want to download whatever version best suits you. In this case, it's going to be Windows for me, and then let your download begin. Once your download is done, we're going to move it to a location where you can find it easily. Currently, I have mine on my desktop. I'm going to be double clicking to open up my zip, and I'm going to be simply dragging my application out of my zip file to my desktop, so I also have it right here. From here, what we're going to be doing is double clicking our file. This little pop-up window will come up. We want to click run, and then we're going to be installing Grambler on our PC. Simply click yes when the little pop-up comes up, and then your install should begin. Once your install is finished, you should be met with this screen, and this is going to be the first screen where we can set up and create our actual Grambler account. So if you don't already have an account for Grambler, what you're going to have to do is create an account by entering all the information here, and you're also going to have to enter in your Instagram username and password. Since I already have an account, what I'm going to be doing is clicking the login now button instead, and I'm going to be entering my email and password here and logging into Grambler. Once you've logged in and verified everything, you should be met with this screen where we can see our currently logged in Instagram account, and we should see this nice UI. Now what I'm going to be doing is just extending my app a little bit so we can still zoom in and see the full image, but still have a good size window. So the very first thing we can see is select your media. So the first thing we can do is click, and we can use whatever image we want. In this case, what I'm going to be using is my thumbnail for one of my videos. All I'm going to be doing is dragging it in here, and you should see your image should show up right here. Now from this case, your image should upload here, and that should be no issue. But we also have some other options here in the bottom for cropping and setting up some other things. So if you want your image to be perfectly square, what you can do is click on this 1 by 1 box. Now we can draw a box on our image, and it's going to be set to the perfect square for Instagram. From here, you can size up and scale your box to whatever you want, and this will mean that your image will show up in a square on Instagram. You can crop it to whatever you like, so you can do some small editing here. What I'm going to be doing is leaving it like this just to show as an example. All you need to do is click save on the right once you're happy with your cropping and image. From here, then we'll have some more options with filters and motion. What I'm going to be doing is just showing you the filters. We have a lot of different options here: effects, stitches, colors, lighting, a bunch of other things. I'm not going to be going into them too much in today's video, as they're pretty straightforward, so you can play around with these as much as you want to edit your image. All you need to do from here is click save once you're happy. Then once your image is fully set up and you're ready to go, we're going to be clicking continue here on the right hand side, and then we'll finally be brought to the last step where you have to write our caption and then finally be able to send. From here, you can write whatever you want for your caption. In this case, I'm just going to be entering some random things, and we also have emojis down here if you want to add some emojis to your account also. Then we have the option to upload on immediately or sometime later, or we can specify what time we want to upload. Now, one thing you should keep in mind is if you select this, you will actually need to leave this application open, and you will need to leave your computer on for this to work. It will only upload automatically once the application is open and this is all set up. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is just clicking immediately, and then finally all you need to do is click send, and your image will upload to your Instagram account. Now what we're going to be doing is coming to my Instagram account. Of course, links in the description down below if you want to follow me. And you can see this upload method worked really quick and really easily. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new. Check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.